Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, David. I'm back again with a mind-blowing video on Fiverr account updates. So if you have been trying to create a Fiverr account for a long time today and you've been getting disapproved all the time, so this video is definitely for you. So if we stay with me on this video to the end, then you'll be able to create an approved Fiverr account in 2025. So you have been a lot of people are complaining about creating Fiverr accounts and not, staying, probably getting disapproved, getting the message of profile eligibility not approved probably, so or getting an account created and got blocked the following day probably or the next day. So this is the way you can create an approved Fiverr account in 2025 and you will not have any issue with your Fiverr account. So but first thing first, you have to stay with me on this video to the end for you to get the way you are going to create this Fiverr account easily with the tools that will be listed in my description. So all the tools I'm using in this video, in creating my Fiverr account, will be listed in the video description so that you can be able to access them easily and you can use them easily. So the only paid option that that you can be able to access that might require you to pay them is just two websites which I'll be mentioning in this video. So you can stay along with me while I create the account. So now first thing first, what you need first is I've created my own browser, my normal browser. So I use Brave browser a lot. You can see all the browser, the tabs I open down, all the browsers I open down, they are all Brave browser. So I only use mostly Brave browser for any of my Fiverr accounts, and each Fiverr account has their own proxy because I don't make use of VPN. Proxy is very important in creating a Fiverr account because that will help you to secure your location more than a VPN. So this is why we are using proxy. And the first thing you have to do is go over to uh, I use different platforms for my proxy. So I use Disapproved. Number one, I use Shopsocks 5. So you can see here that number one, I use Shopsocks 5 presently. So and also I use Ditrosocks. This is ditrosocks.net. So this is Ditrosocks. So in my next video, I will be making a video on how to use Ditrosocks and how to get a Ditrosocks account, how to fund it, and also how you can use it to put your account online as well, create a Fiverr account and make use of it on your PC. So but in this video I just want to create a Fiverr account, an active Fiverr account that we're going to be using. So the niche I want to be creating the Fiverr account on is on YouTube service. So I want to create a YouTube service account. So now the first thing I have to do is I want to create a United States account for this service. So probably you are creating a foreign account. Let me say you want to create a UK account, you get a UK proxy. So but I want to create a United States account. So first thing first, I'll go on my Shopsocks 5. So because it is funded already, so I'll be able to get my proxy easily. So I have to click on it and search. So once I search, they'll give me a list of available proxy. So presently we have regions and cities that are available. So I'll just click on one of these. And once I click on one of these, then an IP will be given to me, allocated to me. So I will go over back to my browser. Now, I've not done first thing. The first thing I have to do is I have to install an extension. So the extension I'll be using to hold my proxy to make my proxy stay on my account on my browser is iProya. So I'm gonna go over to iProya extension. So once I click on iProya extension, then I'm gonna click on iProya extension manager Chrome extension. So I'm gonna add it to my Brave browser. So I'll click on add. So and I'm gonna add the extension. So immediately I add the extension. So you can see the extension downloading. So once it is done, so it is very fast, and then I'm gonna pin it. Immediately I pin it, then this is the proxy. So now what I have to do now is I've copied my IP already, and I'm going to come over to add proxy. So and I'm going to copy, make use of it, manual proxy, and I'm going to use the name US here. So and the protocol I'm using SOX 5. My proxy is SOX 5. So and I'm going to click on, I paste it. Immediately I paste it, it autofills the port number as well. So how do I get that? This is my main IP, and this is after the column, this is the port number. So immediately I paste it here, it fills it up automatically. So I'm gonna add again because it removed it immediately. So paste it again. So make sure you stay with me on this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So make sure you stay all along to watch this video to the end, because if you miss a step in this video, then probably you won't be able to get your account, Fiverr account, uh, eligible to sell on Fiverr. So edit it again and click on save. Immediately I click on save, I'm going to click on connect. So I'm connected to the United States. Now if I want to confirm if I'm connected to the United States, I will use one of these websites, which is called war.net. I'm going to use war.net to check if my profile is in the United States. And another one I'm going to use is Scamalytic. Scamalytic is the one I'm going to use in checking if my account is secure, is not, my location is not having a high fraud risk. So you can see that there's error, so probably the IP has expired. So I'm going to go over and copy another IP for me to use. So I'm going to copy another IP, so then another IP is available, so I'm going to edit it back. So I click on, I'll first disconnect this and click on edit. So I'm going to paste it and click on save. Immediately I off the IP, then the location changed to my normal local PC location. So then I'm going to click on connect back. Yeah, it has connected back. So I'm going to refresh this, and I'm going to refresh this as well. So you can see that my location is back and it is on United States IP. So allow it to load and you can see that the IP is on United States. So and once it's on United States, I'll copy this IP. I'll go over to Scamalytic. This is scamalytic.com. So once I go over to scamalytic.com, I'm going to paste the IP that was given to me by word.net. So you can see Camilla and United States. So I'm going to search it. So and once I clear this little space in it, I'll click on enter to search it. So immediately I search it, so it should give me the fraud score first. So I'm going to check if what our fraud score is. If we have an high fraud risk, then we are not going to use the location. Can you see that we have an high fraud score, which is 80? So this cannot allow us to create an account that is eligible, because the location is having a high fraud risk, which will allow Fiverr to block our account immediately we create an account. So now for what we have to do, solutions today is changing the IP again. So I'm going to click on search again so that I can have a new IP, and I'm clicking on another IP already, so that we can change our IP. So I'm going to over there again to change my IP. So I will disconnect, accept, and edit. So connect. So I'm going to refresh again to see what IP it has given to us again. So and immediately I refresh. Okay, so let me go and use another site. I think Word.net is always giving issue, so I'll use Word.com instead. So okay, I think I'm having issue with this. Let me just go and yeah, IP2. Let me use IP2 location to check. So IP2 location should give us the correct. So in case those two websites are giving you issue, so just go on to IP2 location to check your normal location. So it will give you your suggested location. So and you can go over to paste it. So it's checking up our IP. This is the IP that was given. So we're going to copy it and go over here and paste. Immediately we paste, then we click on search as well and see if we have an high fraud risk. So you can see that we have just a zero fraud score in this particular IP, so which is the IP we are going to use. So now the second thing you have to do once you've gotten the required IP, the normal IP for you to create your account, then you go back to your settings and change your time zone. So you have to check your time zone. So I'm using already, this PC is on United States time zone. So if your time zone is not changed, make sure you changed it. So change it to United States country. So how do you do that is just go over to your settings and change change it in your settings. So if I go on to my settings now, settings, my system settings, and I click the date and time. So yeah, time and language. So immediately I click on the time and language, set time automatically. So you can off the set time automatically. So I will come to my time zone and change my time zone from here. So you can change this to any of the United States location. So this is presently on Pacific time, US and Canada time. So I will leave it on that and go back to my normal account creation. So now the IP has been changed, it's changed already, and also the the time on your PC is being changed. Now, the first thing you have to go on before we choose anything, because we've not created a Gmail account yet, number one. So, before we create a Gmail account, we are going over to Trustpilot, because Trustpilot is where we are going to get our username of people that are trusted. So, we're going over to Trustpilot. Remember, we want to create an account with uh, a service, YouTube service. So I'm creating a YouTube service based on the account you want to create. So that's what you are going to search on Trustpilot. So YouTube expert, let's say YouTube YouTube experts. So I'll click on show results. So immediately I show results, it will bring list of experts on YouTube, the name of the company that's an expert in YouTube. So, and I'm gonna pick one of the companies and I'm gonna use them to create my Fiverr account. So, and also, so I'll just choose the one that has low reviews, not much reviews, and they are much trusted. So, let me go over to second page, to the second page. So you can see here that we have different categories: video project and production, video editing service, blogger, social media agency, media company, hobby store. So now we have different. So this is lexpertcompatible.com. I will try and check more further so to see more people. Yeah, these people have 3.5 YouTube promos. Let's go more. Yeah, we have YouTube B, Sloten Maker Experts. We have YouTube Empire. So let's check more. So we have experts, we have YouTube Dogen. So we have different username, but I want to pick the one that has low reviews but with high trust score, so that we will not face the issue of impersonation. So because there are some company that's they just target you and trying to uh, mark you as impersonator based on. So we want to avoid that, and this is why I want to make sure that we choose one of these companies that are not. And also, there are some things we have to do as well at long run when we are creating the accounts, so that we will not face issue with that. So now you can see that we have different name: expert market, expert institute, YouTube clients. So I think I will just go over to page one back and pick one of those people that are on first page. So we can click on 4.5. So I'm going to click on people that have 4.5 ratings. So yeah, we have policy experts. So I'm gonna just research and let's search for YouTube monetization probably, because that's the service we want to render. So let's search for YouTube monetization. So let's see, we have YouTube prompts, 45 reviews. So now let's use those people that have much reviews. Let's use people that have much more reviews. Let's go with 4.5. So now we have people that go with we have just two companies with 4.3 and 4.5. YouTube visualism.it YouTube. So now let's try 4.0 and see. Now we have a company that says buy YouTube views, YouTube growth accelerator. We have YouTube AS, we have sovereign YouTube agency, we have YouTube comment downloader, we have YouTube like YouTube. So let's say literally we are looking forward to based on this YouTube service. Let's though I'm doing this because it is a YouTube service and I'm trying to choose a name that is very unique. So that's why I'm trying to make sure we choose the best name that will give us the chance of getting viewed, getting ranked. Now let's try this company to growth accelerator. So now the first thing we have to do is create an email with we have to create an email. We have to create an email with this name. So we have to create an email with this name, but we are going to check their website, YouTube Growth Accelerator. So we're going to check on their website. Another thing is we are going to copy their logo. We are going to copy their logo and I'm going to copy their logo. So I think please click here. So now let me just go over to where we are going to edit the logo that we copied from them. So I will go over here and go over to Canva, and immediately I'm on Canva, I'm gonna paste the logo there so that we can just re-edit the logo and will not be facing issue with the plagiarism, or probably let's say facing issue with impersonation. So I'm gonna click on new design. So I'm gonna do a new design. So hold on while the stuff is loading so that I can do a new design for the logo. So while that is loading, okay, let's create a new design already. So let's try and so as we are creating a new design as well, so also I'm going to copy the website link from that place and copy it to another place so that we can have their website link as well. So let's do a new design. So customize size. So let me just use normal size here. So and then I'm gonna paste the image I copied. I'm gonna paste it here. So now you can see the image I copied. I've pasted it here. So we're just going to make little editing. So we're going to make a little edits to this image so that we can claim the image and we can use on our own personal profile. So now what I'm going to do is just okay. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to add some element design into it. So I think we have this. Okay, so let's check the lines, the shapes. So let's check some shapes. So I think this is very close to it. So and I'm going to rearrange this. I'll shorten this and then move it into this. So I can have a new okay. I think this is perfect. a new design. So you can see just this little design has make everything change. So we have a new design inside here. So then what else can we do to make it more of ours? So okay, what else can we do? So we can just okay, this is what we should do again. So I will duplicate what's inside this now. I'm gonna duplicate this. I'm gonna reduce it again. I'm gonna paste it on it as well, and I'm gonna change it to a red color. A red color, yeah. So once I change it to a red color, so okay. So let me okay change it back to a red color. And I'm gonna move it to align as well. Okay, I think it's aligned already. So yeah, we've rearranged the image, and I'm gonna change the name. So I think I didn't remove the background. So let me remove the background here. So remove BG, remove BG. So I removed the background already. So we have our normal design ready. So probably let me just change this to white. I think white will be okay with this probably. Yeah, white should be okay with this. So let's just let me change this to red instead. Yeah, this is perfect. Okay, this is perfect. So let me just change this to red. So yeah, we have a new design already. So now we're gonna change the name of this to YouTube Growth Accelerator, so that we can have its. So changing this to YouTube Growth and Accelerator. So I copied it, yes, copy, going back to this and pasting YouTube Growth Accelerator. So that's what we're going to save it with, and we're going to download the image. So I'm going to download the image. So now the next thing we have to do is create a Gmail with this account. So we're going to create a Gmail with this account. So and I'm going to pause the video and create the Gmail, and then come back immediately I create the Gmail account, and we can continue with the video. So I created the email already. So now the first thing I have to do is I'll go over to my email to add my profile picture on my email. So I'm gonna edit this, and I'll click on the picture option. So I'm allowing it to load first. So it's asked me to add my profile picture, and I'm going to upload from my computer. So I'll click on from my computer. So now I'm gonna upload the image that I downloaded, that I've just edited. So I'm gonna open it and uploading the video, the photo. Yeah, I mean the photo. So you can see the photo is ready, and boom. So I can save the profile picture, and I have it on my profile now. So yeah, that has been changed. So this is YouTube quotes. So this is my Google account already. So now the next thing I have to go is I'm now heading over to my Google, my Fiverr account. So I'm gonna go over to Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com. So I'm going over to Fiverr.com. So now the first thing I have to do on Fiverr is now I have the option of signing up with Fiverr with. So now what I'm going to do is click on join. I'll click on join. So immediately I click on join. So I have the different option of signing in with my Google or with my email or with Apple or Facebook. So I would have preferred to go on with Apple, but people might have having issue with creating Apple account on their PC. Probably they've created a multiple one or their PC is not supporting it. So I'm gonna just use the Google, continue with Google because we create a Google account already. So I'll click on continue with Google. So now immediately I click on continue with Google to bring my Google account, and I will click on this. So I click on my Google account, and from there it will lead me to selecting a username for my profile. So now if I want to select a username for my profile, I have to use the name because now it asks me to choose a username. So I want to use, so we'll check if the name is available on Fiverr YouTube groups. So you can see that the name has been chosen on Fiverr already. So let's say uh YT growth. I know we can't be able to write the complete accelerator. So we can't write the complete accelerator. So okay, let me just suggest YouTube accelerator instead. So I know they will not allow us to complete it. So let's just go with YouTube growth. Now let's just say YouTube X growth. Let's see if they will accept this. Yeah, this is available. YouTube times growth. YouTube growth. So we have YouTube times growth. Then we can click on create an account. So now immediately we click on create account, it said your account has been created. So now it's immediately said that my account has been created. I will click on these two options, buy freelancing service because we want to buy and sell, and we're going to click on selling freelancing service as well. I'm going to click on next. What is your what plan do you buy service for? Just for my secondary business need, and next. So how many people work in your team? We can just say let me 11 to 50 probably because you as a viewers of my channel, we are both teams together. So I'm gonna add you to my team. So I'm gonna say we are up to 11 to 50, and I'm gonna click on continue. Then to start a project to specific service, just exploring. I will click on just exploring at first, and I will click on finish, and I'll click on start exploring. So immediately I click on start exploring. So here am I on my channels, on my Fiverr account. So and also don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel based on where we are now. And you can see that we are definitely making progress. So now I'm gonna click over my profile to complete my profile because this is what you have to do. You can see that I have the YouTube growth already. So now these are the profiles you want to complete. Now share how you plan to use Fiverr. So I'm going to click on this. Yeah, I've already completed that. I'll click on next, completed that. So now, what is your role? I have to click on the owner and the CEO of my account. So the owner and CEO of my account, then I've completed that. Add details for your profile. Tell us about your business and set a communication preference. So I have to do this as well. Add details to your profile. So now, how would you like to be called? So what name will I like to be called? So I'll just go over to my to the so when I want to open this website here, it's not allowing me to open the website. So I copied the link of the website to uh this my browser, and I open it here, and you can see that this is the YouTube Growth Accelerator account.com. So now I'm gonna check one of the names here that I can use on the account. So let me just uh about my YouTube growth strategies, since I've been helping of course my journey and stuff like that. Then let's see if we copy the name that we saw here, and then we can paste it. So I'm coming. So let's see more names we can see. get updates, blueprints. Okay. So let's go back to this, and then let's click on. Okay, I'm coming. Let's click. Let me check the coaching option. Click on accelerator. 3 years of coaching. Value $299. Okay, quality accelerator. Lesson identity outline. Okay. So now, watch here. So I'm gonna go back and click and use the name that was added to the profile there. So I think they just added the about me that was added was just YouTube growth strategist. So let's see if we're gonna be able to use this name. Let's see if we are gonna be able to use the name on Fiverr. So you can see that they said this is too long. It must be a maximum of 15 character only. So let's see if they will accept YouTube growth. So I think they accepted the YouTube growth probably. So how we will describe your business? Now we ought to just let's just go over to describing our business. So we can just use part of the story about me option to describe our business. In my one-on-one session, I will dive into the over the year. I'll be very guiding more than 100 individuals and company of them. I'm happy about entrepreneurs. I'll avoid the pitfall I once encountered. So now I think I can use this as my personal profile, or probably let's say I dive into the of ensuring your content resonates with views in a prolonged way, analyze thumbnails physically, you can leverage data driven metrics for. So I can just use the best option for my for my profile So the best description, get all YouTube educator at discounts there, then get access to YouTube accelerator. So this is the YouTube accelerator program is a progressive YouTube accelerator. So now we can use this education for fast tracking your YouTube channels, drawing from indicator fund this was coaching over hundreds of students. This program offers unparalleled stuff like that, the critical progress. So I can just check more to see which one I can just use on the profile so that we can have a well optimized account with good about us profile. I've spent a lot of money on thinking about this is one of the subscriber what people are saying, this is what part of what people are saying. So now I'm just trying to so let's just go back to the home and use the one of the about us stuff. Or let's say, let's use this. Create a successful YouTube channel can be overwhelming and hard to go. This is why skipping the 5 years it takes average to learn. We need to make 5 per month. Accelerate your YouTube channel growth. Creating a successful YouTube channel can be overwhelming and hard to grow. That's why skipping the 5 years it takes on average to learn what you need to make 500 per month. So we can just try and use this. This is firstness documentary. This is a firstness documentary. The whole point of this program is to get you trust. Then use something to just a few until I can start making money now. It took me. So now I'll just go and use this instead. The one I just copied now. So you can just use it. So now instead of me pasting directly, I'll right click and paste as plain text. So I'll just place as plain text, and then what's your business industry? So my business industry is YouTube. So what is your business name? So I'll put my business name and add your website URL. So now instead of me inputting these people's URL, I can just go over to Google. Okay, this is not where the Google is. So I'll just go over to where I created my account. I'll just go over to Google. I will click on this. So on Google, I'll just click on one of these options to create a site with Google. So we can just go and use, because we are not creating a complete site with Google. We just want to use the link as our website link on our Fiverr account. So this is what we want to do now. So let me just refresh this. Okay, now let's use this one instead of the one we copied earlier. So YouTube Growth Accelerator is a coaching and channel management program designed to help create and log your video on YouTube with vertical expense. I've helped more than 100 media companies to grow their channel, which is making money in empires. Our proven formula has been whether you are looking to increase views, boost revenue, stuff like that for your international success. Now let's just copy this. Let's see if they will accept this much. So I'll just come over here and just paste as plain text. So exactly what we need. YouTube Growth Accelerator is a coaching and channel management program. Let's say let me remove the coaching here because I'm selling a service. It's a channel management program designed to help creators unlock their full potential on YouTube. Or let me say designed to help creators monetize faster on YouTube. With over decade of experience, I think I'll be referring to I have helped more than I've helped. I don't want to specify. I've helped more individuals and niches. Let me put niches. I've helped more individuals and niches grow their channel into money making empires. So I want to because Fiverr hates seeing anything called money. Our proven formula combines. Let me just say my proven formula. Yeah, my proven formula combines data-driven strategy, audience physiology, insight, and creative to deliver exceptional results. Whether you are looking to increase views, boost revenue, or build a strong personal brand, I provide actionable advices, tailored feedback, and hands-on. So I provide actionable advices. Now let's just stop it on actionable advices, and then this is YouTube. Media content, media entertainment, YouTube gaming streaming, YouTube channel, online media and streaming, YouTube channel. What's your business name? So YouTube Growth Accelerator. YouTube Growth Accelerator. And what's your website? So now we are going over to my Gmail. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to click on Google Sites. Or instead of that, if I can't go to Google Sites from here, I can just click Google Sites directly. Okay, so let's just go to sites.google.com. Sites.google.com. So now once we go over to sites.google.com, so we are going to put our add your business main URL. So that's what we want to go and add there. Sites.google.com. So if it's not going, let me just search Google Sites. Probably you are not right with it. So you can see. Okay, so I'm trying to see. Okay, Google Sites. So this is Google Sites. I click on got it. So what do you want to create? I'll just click. We are trying to create probably a project. So I'm allowing it to load a bit so that I can. Now, really I click a project. So let me just put on the name. So which is YouTube Growth. Sorry, YouTube Growth Accelerator. Let me just copy this YouTube Growth Accelerator. Copy and I paste here. So YouTube Growth Accelerator. Okay, YouTube growth accelerator. So, and then let me just paste one of this to my tagline too. So let me just paste this to my tagline. So I can just set this to be white, bold. Uh, text color, I'll just put on white. Same thing with this, text color, then white. So I think that is okay. So I don't need much of this. I just need what I need is just the URL. So I'll just edit this to be YouTube accelerator. So that's my project name. Then I'm gonna click on publish. So now publish the web. So just the name contains of union reserved or reserved word. Custom domain. Okay, let me just write this together. So I think it says okay, let me just put it as YT, which is YouTube. Y C YouTube growth accelerator. You can see that they accepted it, YouTube. So then we click on publish. So the link we need is just this. So we only need this link. So this is the link we just need. Let me click on publish again. Okay. So I'm going to just copy the link because that's just the link we need. Okay, let me just see if I can. Okay, let me first unpublish and then I'll publish again so that I can copy the link. So this is the link I want to copy. So I'll copy this link and I'll publish it again. So I will come back to my Fiverr account and paste the link here. I will clear the space and I'll click on done. So now they said they are not accepting the name we put here, so we can just uh say YT. So it can be a short name, YouTube growth. So let's see if they accept this. So I think they should be able to accept this. The same thing, they are not accepting it. So let's reduce. So let's say YouTube growth. So let's see if they accept this as well. So it doesn't accept as well. So now let's just use one of the names you see on this. So because they said how would you like to be called? Your normal name and your first name. So now let's go back to the website. I think some of these are one of the we have one of the I'll just copy one of the name of those people that have used the services. So I just want to copy someone's name out of this. Probably some of them that have shared their okay. Dizu, Dizu, discipline. We have Rick. We have Dizu discipline. Now let me go and put Dizu discipline here. So this is DZ, right? DZ, sorry, DZ discipline. So now let's see if they accept this. So you can see that they accepted that. So add details for your profile. So I think we still have more things to add for it to be completed. So this is completed already. 3%. So tell us more about your business. So what's business type? Let's say we are just example YouTuber. So I'm a YouTuber. So the next thing is, so now what stage is your business in? Idea expansion established. So stable and achieved success. Starting or to say so I've achieved the success. How often your business needs freelancer service? Say it can be weekly, monthly, quarterly. I'm not sure. Let me just pick I'm not sure. So I click on done, that is completed. Set your communication preferences. So now select your preferred days. So I operate from Monday to Sunday because I'm a full-time freelancer. So now then choose your preferred hours. So from 12 a.m. to always active, which is 12:30 a.m. as well. So which because I'm always active. So now which language do you speak? I'm gonna add this language I speak, which is English. English, I speak English. Native and bilingual. So message and video calls I'm gonna add. I click on done. So I'm still having this one left. So okay, they ask us to upload our image. So I'm gonna upload this my image on it. And immediately I upload the image on it, they should be able to accept the image and then the profile will be 100% completed. You can see that the image is being accepted. I'll click on done and you can see and done your profile is completed. So then I should be able to now. Another thing I've not done yet is I've not added my, I've not verified my account with phone number. So I have to go back to settings. I have to go back to my settings. So I'll click on security. So I have a website I use in generating my number. So I'll click on verify now. So this is the site I use in generating my number. So I'll go to, so okay, let me click on verify now first. So it asks me to paste my United States number. So I use SMS virtual. So SMS virtual. So you can just download the app to fund the account. So I use SMS virtual. I'm gonna click on Fiverr. So select the country. I need to activate a US account. So I'm gonna copy the number because it's gonna give me a one-time code. And I'm gonna paste the number here. So it didn't allow me to paste the number. Okay, so I paste the number already. I'll cancel this. I'll click on, let me see if the number is completed. Yeah. So I'll click on verify my SMS. So I'll wait for the code to be sent. So I'm waiting for the code here. I'm waiting for the code here. So I should be able to receive the code any minute from now. Now, after verifying your phone number, after we verify your phone number, you come over to your profile view. Now, one thing on this profile view is that now the first thing is before you start creating gig, once you go over to gig creation, now the first thing you have to do is before you create a gig, you don't have to create the gig of the service you want to create immediately because of profile ineligibility not getting approved. So the first thing we have to do is create a gig that they will accept, that Fiverr will accept immediately without even allowing your gig to your account to face eligibility issue for you not to get your eligibility seller accounts approved. So you have to create a gig. So the gig we are going to create on this account is just so that we have this account active. Let me just put, yeah. So once you go to your gig creation, this is where it will lead you to first. YouTube growth. Let me use YouTube growth accelerator. So now in this description, we are going to change the description. Why are we going to change the description? Is that we want to change this to the service we want to render first. Let me say the gig we want to create that will allow them to approve our Fiverr account. So now we want to create a Tinder bio account. So they've not sent the code for the number, so probably we are going to try the number again after 24 hours because they didn't send the code SMS immediately. So sometimes they send it immediately, sometimes it will take the time for them to send it. Then I'm gonna try it again after 24 hours because they didn't send the code, but we can still proceed with creating our gig. So far they didn't send the code, so we can just verify the account tomorrow as well. So but because of the sake of this video, for it not to be long, I'll just continue with the gig creation. So probably you are able to add your number and verify it immediately, then you are good to go. And also if you are unable to verify your number immediately, then you are still good to go. Then you can verify the number again after 24 hours and publish the gig. So now the next thing we want to do is just create a gig. Now the gig we are going to be creating is bio uh, Tinder bio writing. So we are going to search it on Fiverr, the gig on Fiverr, and we are going to copy the freelancers on the page. So we're going to copy freelancer on the page to for us to create our own account. So let's just keep copy one of this bio. So now he says, "Hello, my name is I'm a professional American copywriter and dating consultant, a featured by my favorite movie. I specialize in high quality marketing projects designed to get you. So whether you want your Tinder matches, so I specialize in high quality. So I want to copy this. Okay, let me just. I don't like that. Let me just go back to another person's own and see how the person writes his profile. So, how did the person? Hello, I'm Ashley, a passionate and creative coach who loves helping others. So, I'm Ashley. Okay, with years of experience in mentoring and guiding their potential, I decided to provide a personal service that's across clients to achieve their goals by approaching sensitive. So, this is not emphasizing on Tinder directly. Let me see this one as well. I'm passionate, dedicated counselor who love helping others. I've always been interested in researching and learning more about dynamic of human relationship. This has led me. So I'm just going to copy this person. So I'll go over to my profile again. I'll just paste as plain text. This is let my love for coaching. And yes, I'll go back to another person's profile to copy the ending. So let me see. I believe that anyone can create a committed. So because we want to create a gig that will stay, not the gig that will just allow you to allow your profile to be ineligible. So then after pasting that, then I'm going to click on continue. Then occupation. So I'm going to pick on lifestyle because we are creating Tinder first. Later, once we publish this gig and the gig is active, then I will go over to create my own personal gig, the gig that I want to create itself, which is the YouTube gig. So, but for them to approve my profile first, so I have to create, because if I go ahead to create my YouTube gig directly, then my account can get blocked because they will not probably might not want to accept my profile immediately. So I can just based on the gig the service I want to offer. So now this thing is relating to coaching, so online tutoring. Let me pick because it's relating to dating stuff. So let me pick life coaching, online tutoring, and what else again? Family and genealogy, personal stylist, trending forecasts, arts and crafts, traveling, puzzle, nutrition, greeting card, fitness. career counseling. So now skills that I'll be putting because I'm creating a dating gig first. So dating advice, experts, dating coaching, experts at dating, relationship, relationship advice. So I'll just copy it on that three, add. So my education, I'll just look for, this is United States. I'll just look for universities in United States that offers in a university in US offering YouTube service. Probably so YouTube service how to become a full YouTuber. So universities that offer that video service, college stuff like that. University video service. Okay. Education USA. Partnership between us YouTube stuff like that. So we are looking for the university that offers this. Okay, with Harvard, he said Harvard offer this. Other notable US universities on YouTube Stanford University, Berkeley College of Music, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, and Hillsdale College. Now let's go with Hillsdale College. So I think that is not a yeah, Hillsdale College title. So I'm with my masters. Then let's say YouTube. Let's click on YouTube. Oh, YouTube is not there. Let's click on video. Video is not here. So let's YouTube. YouTube. So I'm trying to check the courses that are available in this. So let's say music. So we graduated year 2021. Let's add that. Let's add that. So we are going to click on the personal website. So we are going to paste our website link here. So we'll go back to where we copied our website link then, and then we are going to paste it. So let me see the link. Yeah, I'll copy the link. I'll go back to my profile again and I'll paste the link. Then I'm gonna click on continue. So it asks me to add my phone number again because I think they didn't send me the code then. So let me check. So the code was not sent, so which means I have to try it again after 24 hours because the code was not sent. Let me see if I can add it again. You can see they will ask me to send the code again after 24 hours. So probably they will ask me to send again after 24 hours, or probably let's see if they will ask us to do it now. So I'll click on US again. I'll click on activate. So they give me another number. So let's see because only receive code one time. Paste. Verify by SMS. So you can see attempt limits reached. Unfortunately, you have got no verification attempts left. Please try again for 24 hours. So I won't be able to add number for now after 24 hours. So I'll click on continue. So I'll skip that phone number option. So but once I add the phone number, my profile will be 100% complete. But I can still create my gig. I can still create my gig, but I won't be able to publish it yet until I add my phone number after 24 hours. So, but you can have it. So immediately I add my number after 24 hours, then I'll be able to publish my gig. So but for them to accept my profile first, so let me just create this account. So I will do so let me just go back to these people's profile to copy one of their profile to use an example. I will be your dating coach and write online dating profile for Tinder and more. So let me just say I will be your dating coach and update. So now let me just put I will be your dating coach. I'll be your dating coach. So I'll be your dating coach with the Tinder bio writing. Okay, dating coach with Tinder bio writing. So that will be my so now uh personal growth and hobbies, life coaching, social media, and I'll just put this. Select service type, relationship advice. So are you a female or male? Let me say I'm a male, coaching focus, dating profile optimization. What are the keywords? Dating, let me just keep all this dating advice, dating tips, and this online dating. So you can see that all of them are there. Let me just say, let me see if Tinder is there. Let me see bio. Yeah, let me put bio. So now, next thing I will click on save and continue. So once I click on save and continue, the next thing will be my pricing and package. So I have to set up pricing and package as expected. So this pricing and package should be added as expected as well. So now what I'm going to add, so this is dating. So you are going to create this account normally, dating bio, writing, dating bio, okay, basic, dating bio, standard, and dating bio premium. So now let me check other people's description. Experts crafted bio comment on your current photos. Yeah, I can copy this and paste it here. Paste as plain text. You can see that I click on paste as plain text. This as well. Paste as plain text. And I'm going over to this premium. I'm pasting as plain text too. So I can check the dates of the delivery. We have 2, 3, and 5 days. So we have 2, 3, and 5 days. So this is writing plan, photo editing, video consultation, personalized plan. So I can add just maybe like $10, 30, and $70. So I'll click on save and continue. Now after clicking save and continue, then here comes the description. So I have to be well optimized with my description. So I can just go online and say sender bio writing description. So I can just find for reference here the difference from the so now let me just copy this site's words. Now I'm gonna write this. It's great Tinder bio checks 3 box. It's original, unique, tells something interesting about you, and stimulating its effect, stuff like that. So and I'm gonna go back to my description and I'm gonna paste this as plain text. Now I'll now go over to people that have written their bio before and see their gig description and see what I can copy from their gig description as well. So okay, so I'll go to another person's own, choose from these three stuff like that. So let me just copy this and I'm gonna paste as plain text as well. So I can just, you can add your FAQ, but I'll skip it at this stage and continue. So the next thing for me to do is adding the requirements. Yeah, Tinder login. So and it might ask me to save to. Okay. So the next thing is for me to add my image. So I can just go over to Canva and do the image stuff. So now I'll just head over to Canva. So this is the same way you're going to create your normal gig as well, but make sure it is effective. Your normal Fiverr, Fiverr service gig. So make sure it is effective when you are creating your normal Fiverr gig. So I'll go over to my Canva account and I'm going to create a banner. So I'm going to create a banner. So I'm going over to new design. I'm going over to a new design. So on my new design, so I'm going to create a new page. So this is a new page. So I'll just go over to where I've searched the Tinder bio writing and see the images that are available and combine the images together on my profile. So this is what I'm going to do so that it can be faster enough. So the video is already long, so but make sure you watch the video to the end so that you can get the use of this, how to create a Fiverr account effectively. So the video is a bit long, but make sure you watch it to the end. So don't forget to like and subscribe again to my YouTube channel. So I'll just go over to the images. So on my images, then I'm going to download some, maybe two pictures. I can just pick two pictures. So I can just pick two pictures here. So I'm trying to get some pictures on here. So I can just go up, but let me just go over to Google. So Google will allow me to google.com. So Google allow me to get more pictures. So google.com. So Tinder bio. So images. Then you can see that we have a lot of images here. Tinder bio writer. So you can see that this the puts you can see the cross sign here. So I'm gonna pick this. I'll pick this. Okay, I'm coming. So I'll pick this image. I'll copy image. I'll go over to my and paste it. Yeah, I'll paste. After pasting, after it's uploaded, I'll remove the background. Remove background remover because I'm using a premium Canva account, so I can easily remove background for free without the watermark option on it. So then I want to copy another image as well. So okay, I'm trying to copy another image. So I think we should be able to get more image here. So hold on a bit while I'm trying to get some images that we can use. That we can just a simple design we can just use for the profile, for the gig banner. A simple design for the gig banner. So if we're not getting the real one, then writing. So now by writing. So let me try and copy another image as well. Okay, let me try and copy this. Copy image. Now we'll go back to Canva back. So yeah, I've pasted this. So let me paste the remaining one too. So I paste this as well. So I'll change the background to like maybe red. So red will be okay. Red is good. And so we can just, a text should be in the middle. So that will just say just the little word. And, right. So now by writing. So just a simple gig. So I think we can just change the color to be probably white. Change this to white in color. Selecting that by writing. So just simple gig, and I'll just download this. So but before I download, I have to save the name of what I'm trying to edit. So then just send the bio writing. So that's saved, and I'm going to click on share. Then I'm going to click on download. So I'm downloading page 13, current page 13 done. So I'm downloading the PNG file. I'll download the PNG file first. Also, I'm going to download the PDF file format as well. Current page, and I'm going to PDF standard download. So after doing that, I'll just come over to my profile and then I'll upload. So this is it. By writing, and on my document I'll upload the PDF file. So this is the PDF file. So after adding the PDF file, I'll just click on save and continue. Then immediately I click on save and continue. Are you a US person? No. And click on close, then verify. So do you plan to use Fiverr? How do you plan to use Fiverr outside my primary means of job? Then it will ask me to verify my phone number again, but I can't be able to verify my phone number, so I'll leave it here. And so if you're able to verify your phone number, then you'll be able to click on publish. And if you click on publish, don't click on done immediately, just click on publish, and then your account is ready to be used and ready to be and your gig will be published, because you are not creating this main service you are selling immediately. So you are using you created the bio dating Tinder bio writing first so that we can be approved, and after that then you can create, once it's been approved, after 24 hours then you can create your normal gig, your normal profile gig that you want to create, and then you can delete back the dating app, dating bio writing we created on the account after for a while. So I hope this video is helpful, and if you have any question, don't forget to drop the question in your in the comment section below, and I can be able to answer the questions. So also, if you want to use more of the apps, if you have question about the apps I use, so don't forget to drop the questions in the comment section as well. So thanks for watching. Bye.